How to generate YouTube scripts using AI content creation guide. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can generate scripts using AI tools for YouTube. For that we need a ChatGPT. For ChatGPT go to Play Store and App Store, download ChatGPT. Once we download it, simply click on ChatGPT. Once we click on ChatGPT, here you guys will need to sign up or sign in. Once you do that, you guys will see that type of interface. So for writing our script for YouTube videos, simply tell your idea to ChatGPT. For example, I want to write script for my YouTube video. So let's write it. Now you guys simply give the idea of your script. For example, our script was about a case of criminals. Now tell ChatGPT I need 5 minutes script. Now click on that arrow on down right side. Once we click on that, we will simply wait for some seconds. Here we go. ChatGPT will give our response. You guys can see ChatGPT write a complete script for our YouTube video. It write it with time steps like on which time we need to what use. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.